Welcome. This week I'm going to show you how well the HUSQVARNA Le221R self-propelled electric lawnmower bags. As you can see, I already made the reference cut with the X mark, and a couple things right up front here. This one uses a plug that you have to remove before you put the bagger on to make the bagger work. Put the plug back in and it's a mulching mower. This one has two 40-volt 4 amp hour batteries, which gives you a total of about 305 watt hours of power, or run time, however you want to look at it. So let's get started.
Down in the dirt, real bad.
It's a little cloudy today, but the dew is off the grass, so the grass is dry. It should pick up well. We should have about the same conditions as we had last week with that Toro. Grass is 6 days instead of 7 days, so it's not quite as long. I'm going to mow at 3 inches. That's as high as this machine will go. I like to mow at above 3 inches or higher. I typically mow my lawn at 4 inches. So there's a couple extra steps with starting this. This one has a safety key that you turn on inside the battery housing, and then turn it on at the handle, and then you're ready to mow. Alright, so let's see how this bagger works. Nice clean cut so far. It's picking up even the dead grass. Oh yeah, it is 4th of July, so got guys blowing aerial bombs all day, so just prepare for a bang once in a while. Alright, so let me move the camera and we will take a look and see where it's at right now with the bag. Alright, let's see how it is filling the bag so far. I would guess it might be half full by now. Okay. Well, it's throwing it all the way to the back. There is some lumps up here in the front, but we'll see how that goes. You see it? It throws it all the way to the back. Alright, let's do some more. Just fill it up. Power's still on. After a few minutes, the thing automatically shuts off and you have to reset the key, just so you know, and then turn it back on again. But the green light is still on, so we can keep going. One other thing, there are 4 speeds from turtle to rabbit on this self-propelled system. I'm running it only in the 2nd speed. That way I make sure it gets cut well and has a chance to throw it into the bag. If you're mulching your side discharge, of course you can drive it a lot faster. I have a feeling the bag is full, but I'm going to run it one more pass just to make sure it's packed in there. Yes, the bag is full. So let's see how well it filled the bag. All right, what do you think? Think this one did as good as the Toro? The Toro Flex Force? Let's take a look. Bag's heavy. There you go, full. That's the standard HUSQVARNA bagger, or just the big bagger. It is heavy, it's full of grass. If you look out over the lawn, you can see it does a very, very good job of evenness and picking everything up. I'm really impressed with that. I do want to talk about this mower just a little bit. I didn't do a very good job of talking about the batteries on this. This mower uses 2 4-amp-hour 40-volt batteries. That gives you about 320 watt-hours of power. That's the capacity of the battery. If you want to compare this to other machines, take the volts times the battery amps. So for example, the Toro that we looked at last week, that's a 60 volt times 7.5 amp. So that has a battery capacity of about 450 watt hours. This mower is good for homeowners with a city lot. I've been letting Jason use this one for last month now, and his city lot is, normal city lot, and he can mow it easily on the batteries that are here. If you set this up alongside the Ego, the new Ego with the 7.5 amp hour battery and brushless, or this Toro with the brushless motor and the 7.5, because those batteries run at a higher voltage, they will have more capacity. Of course, they cost more money. The Ego is $750. The Toro is $650. This one I noticed is at Lowe's for $600. So you get what you pay for as far as battery capacity. But one of the nice features about this one is the batteries that are in this are the same batteries that HUSQVARNA uses in all of their commercial and residential equipment. In other words, one battery fits everything. They have different capacities. They have smaller ones for string trimmers And they have larger capacities if you want it for this mower or for your commercial equipment. They, the individual battery packs go up to 9 amp hours. So, and they also have fast chargers for them. So theoretically, you could buy one more battery here with this and the fast charger, and just use one battery at a time as you're mowing lawn, and you could mow for hours without running out of batteries. Just switch them out as they discharge and put them right on the fast charger. So it's a good option. So far, we like the mower a lot. We like how well it cuts. We like how well it mulches. And it's a good alternative if you want to go to Lowe's or to a HUSQVARNA dealer and buy a product. All right. Feel free to leave any questions, comments down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And have a happy 4th of July. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, bonus footage. And you see on the left where I mowed with the X mark, and on the right where I bagged with the HUSQVARNA Le221R push mower. I'm pretty impressed with how well it cuts. I hope you are too. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
Down in the dirt.